just over there doing makeup for like a really long time, and if you notice from my last video, fake lashes are gone and the sparkle lip is gone, and I've added some highlight. Okay, it's Lumibox day, yay! After a little bit of a break of ordering Lumibox because I took a break from everything for a while there, I'm back with a bumper double box, which I now need to break into. Oh, that's perfect. I believe that this one will be the base model. I can't remember what it's called now. I think you could choose something to go in it. Can't remember. Anyway, let's get into it. It's a $49 box, this one, and it's Australian. So here's our little thing, and here's our little menu, if you will. Is there something I could choose in this? No idea. If there was, I don't remember. Okay. Ooh, Physicians Formula. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. It says Rosé All Day Oil-Free Serum. Under or over makeup. Okay. Okay, Physicians Formula. It's a really nice thing. I'm just stick some in the back of my hand. Okay. I'm gonna shake just in case. Ooh. It's just a really nice, like, there's a tiny pearlescent shine. See that? That's not really super wet, but there's a little shine. And I need a bit of shine. Definitely smells of rose. Oh, and I have to be really careful because I'm sitting on my new couch, and my husband will go mad if I get anything on it. I will be angry at myself. It smells so good. Okay, so item 1. What does it say about it? Where's my list? It's antioxidant packed, oil-free, pearl luminous. Formula that helps tighten and brighten skin for a radiant glow. $24.95, available from myqt.com. I don't know what myqt.com is, but it smells really nice. It smells real good. Yeah. Oh, you can feel like it's gone all, like, back of my hand's gone all smooth. You can't see any more. You can't see the shine from it anymore. Not really. There's a slight shine, but there's not. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a base beauty product, which, if I remember correctly, quite expensive. There's individual eyeshadow, $30. One eyeshadow. It is the Babecation Trio. Oh, this is the thing I could choose. Babecation Trio, which I think is bronzer or something. Babecation Trio. Oh, aha, okay. Cute thing. Ooh, her on the end. That is shiny. Ooh. It's almost eyeshadow worthy. Don't know if you can even see it. I can. It's okay. Me likey a lot. This is definitely not my colour, but the payoff is really good. The blush is a bit corally for me. But they're all pretty good. Let me stick that one just there on the end. One I'm definitely going to use. I will now look up how much this costs. Buildable. It says it's buildable. I don't think it needs to be buildable. The highly pigmented silky blendable powders blend effortlessly to flatter all skin tones and face shapes. Well, that's a lie. I'm sorry. There's no way that brownie, the orange, is gonna look anything good on me. $40.73. Don't know what that's a very odd price point, but anyway, $40.73, available from shopbasicbeauty.com. Let me just get this off my hands before we get it on the couch. It's definitely blendable anyway, so that's good. Alright, what is this? Almond oil lip treatment. Hydrate and restore, moisturize, nourishing vitamin E and A. Oh, it's got one of these doohickeys, so. Ooh. A lot came out. I barely squeezed it at all, and a whole lot came out of my face. Okay, the company is Italian Deluxe. It's vegan and cruelty free. And is $7.95 from discountbeauty.com.au. It's not for me because it's really oily and sticky, and also there's a taste, so that one's definitely not for me. I'm trying to decide what the taste is, and I don't know, but it's there and it's kind of sweet and there. Alright, okay, so we've got Garbo and Kelly products left, which I think are lip ones. Okay, so we've got both of them in the same colour. This is a precision lip definer, which I assume means lip pencil, and this is the liquid lip. So, let's see what colour Harmony is. Okay, it's probably a colour I will enjoy. These are made in Korea, by the way. Garbo and Kelly products are made in Korea. It is very pointy, look at that. Ooh, that's a nice colour. Right, I'm going to see how long it takes to dry though, because it says a liquid lip, so I'm hoping it's going to dry. So those two are the lip definer, lip pencil, is $25, and the matte liquid lipstick is $32, and both of those are from Garbo and Kelly. I really like the colour. It's taking a little minute to dry. I think it's almost dry yet. Nope, still not. I have rinsed it. It takes a little, although it doesn't say that it dries down. And I mean, I did just put a Bite Beauty lipstick on before I had lunch, so it's probably gone now. Which I also thought was a one that dries down. Did not dry down. And I should know that because I've worn it at least 20 times. But there we go. I'm an idiot. So I've rinsed it, but I do like the colour. I think we might try the colour on the face. I don't know whether it's going to sit on that oil very well, but I guess we'll find out, won't we? So we put this little handy dandy little mirror in here. So this box is $49. The price of this on its own is $40.73, so there you go. I will do the math and put below exactly how much everything in here cost total, but it's math I can't do right now, okay? It's more than $100. More than $120, okay? It's some math that I just can't. Okay, are you gonna go over? Oh, Jesus, my face is so bad. Okay, that's a terrible application, but it's better than that one time I did the MAC lipstick with no mirror whatsoever. It's quite a nice colour. I'm being very distracted by the fact that the foundation on my face is cracking and setting into the lines on my face, which is accentuating the lines. So if you can see the creases in my face, yeah, I've got creased face. Okay, that was a fun box, huh? My particular favourite was the lip products and this guy. I probably will never use it, but I like it. It's a terrible thing to say. This thing sucks, and this thing, whilst it does have a mirror in it, has just been very handy. Overpriced, in my opinion. Onto the big box, big box, big box, big box. Ooh. Ooh. Right. Again, card and ooh. Oh yeah. No wonder this box is so big. I remembered why. And I'll show you why just now. This is why. It has a set of 2 shampoo and conditioners from the company called Finola, and a lot of hair salons use this in this country, and I have been using it recently, and it was just about to run out, and I was wondering whether I should replace it because this is like $20-something each bottle, and I was like, should I keep it or should I just get a different one and go back to Lush, because I've been using the Lush shampoo bars for ever since I've had short hair, so what, 3 years, 4 years, something like that. And they were really good because they lasted forever. And then all of a sudden, a couple of months ago, or sort of about 6 months ago, they changed their formula so that it just sits there and melts in the shower, so you get maybe 10 washes out of it, if you're lucky. So I changed and tried this out, and this is what it did. This is also have a color protect version. But this is the one that I've been using. Yeah, see, each one is $22.90, and they come from finola.com.au, but a lot of like hairstylist websites and hairdressing paraphernalia websites sell them, because where I got my toner from, that's where I got these from. So I was pretty happy when I ordered this month's box, because this is my shampoo, and this is $45 worth of shampoo. So me happy. And this is the NutriCare one. So this is the nourishing one for people with dry hair like me. This is very thick hair, but it's